Welcome to another edition of RECON TV. Today we're going to install a set of RECON smoked OLED projector headlights on this 2020 Chevrolet Silverado Trail Boss, part number 264396BKCS. First, remove the rivets from the top of the grille. Gently pull the grille away from the headlights. Continue removing the bolts that are holding the factory headlights. Don't forget to peel the front wheel liner to expose the additional bolt to fully loosen the factory headlight. Remove your factory headlights and unplug the single connector that is your factory plug. From there, you can now plug in the RECON headlight into the OEM harness. Gently push the headlight into place until it locks in. Using the same bolts from your factory headlight, tighten down your new RECON headlights. Gently push your grille back into the same location. You are now the proud owner of a set of RECON projector headlights. Thank you for your support.